Alright, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy JP. I'm back with another video. We're gonna be reacting to Damn Nature, You Scary, Rare and Scary Animal Encounters. So be prepared to see some craziness that y'all ain't never seen before. I'm gonna jump right in and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you know anytime I post a video. Let me know what type of videos you like for me to react to in the comments, and I got y'all. I'm gonna get them done for y'all. But yeah, let's check these craziness out, man. Let's do it. 1.
Humans have identified over 2 million different animal species, with some estimates putting the total at somewhere around 8.7 million. Not all of them are friendly, as you will soon find out in this video. No worries, you get to watch from the safety of your own habitat. Let's get started.
Let's get started. What are we looking at? Oh shit.
Come closer, yeah, man. Just a little. Yeah, you cool.
Nah, he gonna attack her ass. Oh! Ho ho! Woo! She was a second too early.
I just said, did you see the TikTok of the guy?
She laughing, bro. My son
Check
would've got a
out
hold
the
of that leg.
absolute
It would've
massive
been over.
size of this catfish caught in the United States. Catfish are a very diverse group of ray-finned fish with some
Yo, he got his
varieties
hand
living up to
inside him?
60 years. One catfish can lay up to 4,000 eggs a year per pound of body weight, and they
Damn.
taste great breaded and fried with butter.
Oh, he
Oh,
biting
it's crushing
him?
my hand. That is a huge blue catfish. The largest catfish species here in North America.
Bro, why you got
I
your
got it,
hand
I
in
got
his
it.
mouth?
you're gonna lose. You'll lose him.
I got him, I got him, I got him. Just when you thought we were not going to catch an enormous catfish, this thing is huge. That is a 50+ pound blue catfish.
Yo,
This
you can
is
see
the
him
largest
biting down.
catfish
Y'all see
species
that?
in the United States.
Oh no, hell no.
Don't do that, don't do that. Sir, don't
Nigga put the meat. You about to go up there and grab that motherfucker.
Get it, friend.
You see your friend? Not that friend, this friend.
No. It's nuts.
Y'all let me know in the comments will y'all dead ass do some craziness like that, cause these are some dangerous animals, you know what I'm saying? It could go real bad, even though you're not, you know, y'all in the little car and y'all protected, but that's wild, man. I don't know if I got it. I be seeing people in pictures, you know, they be going like Africa and stuff like that, and they be walking around with lions and stuff. I don't know, man. They might flip on your ass, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how they do it.
Oh my God. Get him off this car.
He get him off his car.
Get him off the car.
Please go.
Go. This no.
There's
This ain't finna
nothing
be.
about this next clip that is even remotely safe.
A snake?
Please don't do anything you're about to see.
Oh, it's going in the house? Bro, snatch that shit.
Grab the head. No. Get them, Liam. Get them, Liam. Get them, Liam.
Oh, now I'm jumping. He jumping. He jumping. Oh, I thought he was going to jump.
Nah, take it in there. Take it in the bush. Take it in the bush. Nah, over here in the ladder. Go in the...
Nah, he played too much.
Wow. That was dramatic.
Oh my God. Oh.
Oh, shit, bro. That's a woman?
Oh my
Oh,
God.
he's taking her down?
Where's the lifeguard?
Oh my God. Oh my God.
It's a rare experience to be able to touch a whale, much less give it some scritches.
Damn.
Just listen to the whale sing as this lady gets up close and personal for a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Yeah, I'm cool on that experience. My son said, yeah.
Love to do this. Watch this. Watch this.
Bro, I'll be panicking.
Living in Alaska, you're gonna run into a moose from time to time. An estimated 200,000 moose call
Yeah,
Alaska
them
home,
dogs say, yeah, I'm
compared
good. I
to
don't want no smoke, Brody.
736,990 people. That's about 3.7 Alaskans per moose. That's the highest moose to person ratio in the U.S.
That broom ain't gonna do nothing, miss. Oh, shit, he's attacking him, look. Oh my God. Oh, not the dog. Nah, it seemed like the dog tried to distract the moose from the dude, man. That's smart. Man, that crap sound like a gunshot.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
That motherfucker is
I
big.
think there's a backstory between the bear and this Russian dude. This can't be the first time they've met.
Hell no.
The guy sticks his entire hand in the bear's mouth. In any case, please do not try this at home with your own pet bear.
Yeah, with your own pet bear.
Видишь рыбу?
What the fuck is that?
Ну так у него молоденькие, зубки остренькие, но неприятно так. Ну нет, он не такой. Это ужасно.
Nah, yeah, they gotta be cool, bro. That bear is too calm.
Ждет, пока руку не вынесет. Че, встать тяжело, да? Слишком сильно.
If you see a buffalo enjoying a bath, do yourself and the buffalo a favor.
Get him out of
Just
there.
let him enjoy some peace and quiet and don't bother him like our friend here does.
Oh, he gonna turn up. Oh. Oh, he gonna hit the car? Nah, if he charged the car, he's wild. Rhino.
There is a
Oh,
safe
yeah.
distance from which to observe an alligator. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but this ain't it.
Oh, he kept going. He said, fuck this fish. He said it was scary as fuck.
This
Hell
kid is
yeah.
lucky that there's some heavy-duty glass between him and this hippo. Hippos kill about 500 people a year in Africa, and they are the
What?
world's deadliest land mammal. Yeah, this goofy-looking thing is a stone-cold killer.
You gotta have some watermelons on deck. I ain't gonna lie, getting bit by one of them big ass teeth is over for you. My son hit his lip. Damn, he got mad carrots in there.
I think the best time to kick
Got
your
the
boat into
vegan
high gear
hippos.
is after you startle a gigantic crocodile and he heads into the water in your direction. Just a thought.
Damn, bro. Oh, nah. You want smoke.
Oh great, now I have to worry about snakes dive bombing me from atop power lines. That's just
What?
great.
Spider? Damn. Nah, that car gotta be unattended for mad long.
If this tortoise can do this to a hot dog this quickly, just imagine the damage they could do to your fingers. Please do not pet the tortoises.
He's an aggressive crocodile. All them shits is fucking aggressive.
This snake wrangler is the absolute man. He shows no fear going up against this poisonous rattlesnake. Did you know that the state with the most rattlesnakes is Arizona, and rattlesnake meat is white, tender, and tastes like a cross between frog legs and turtle, so I'm told. But who the heck knows what turtle tastes like anyways?
And you could low-key miss that if you just walking by there. You could miss it.
Well, so they say if the snake's tongue is coming out, they're awake. Sometimes they're asleep, but you don't know that because their eyes are closed when his tongue is coming out.
Oh, so you about to wake him up.
I can't believe he's just chilling like this. When he notices that I'm here, he should coil up.
Oh yeah, he up.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm not all that excited about it.
Oh!
He's just trying to go in the log pile.
Oh! Oh! Better close
He's
that.
in. You're good. Man, did he come alive quick? He was shooting towards your log
I ain't gonna lie,
pile.
that's one thing I don't play with, man. Me and snakes.
If you see this
nah.
bear, please call your local authorities.
Oh,
He's wanted for shoplifting
my son
and
robbed the store.
If you see this bear, please call your local authorities. He's wanted for shoplifting
My son
and could
hit
strike
legs.
again any moment.
We got a moose and a black bear. Both going on each other. Right.
It's like an army base.
Closes the fucking thing. Hey, y'all go ahead and fucking just go.
Just go. Oh, he coming back? Ah, my son peeping. Let me see. Oh yeah, he coming back. Oh man, bear, you better get up out of there, broski. I want to see what they gonna do.
This manta ray encounter caught on video shows how smoothly they cut through the water. Manta rays have the largest brain to size ratio of any cold-blooded fish and pose absolutely no danger to humans.
They just cruising.
They just look cool. Watch how quickly this super thirsty snake takes down this cup of water. Who's going to be the idiot to give this snake a beer? You know someone out there has tried it.
Nah, he running through that water. Or she.
How much he drunk? Yeah, that's crazy.
Fuck is or scorpions? What?
Let this guy sleep, lady. He's been busy making sure you can have smoothies.
What
Bananas,
the
avocados,
fuck?
and mangoes, among others, depend on bats for pollination.
That joint big as hell. Hell no. Yo, he's grabbing the shit by the neck like it's a person or something.
Black bears are seemingly everywhere in some parts of the US and Canada. This curious fella looks like he's lonely and just wants to make a friend. Although this lady
bro,
doesn't
I
seem
ain't
like she
gonna
wants to
lie.
get to know him anytime soon.
I'll be scared out
It's a
my
black
mind.
bear, so like if you're like talk and then like, I don't know, make it aware of you, like you're fine.
So what's the difference? Black bears, they cool people or something? A tiger, bro, you done.
I hope so.
Alright, y'all, let me know your thoughts in the comments, man. these animals is crazy, man. People just gotta stay out their way. Like a lot of these, the one that surprised me the most was that bat, man. It was big as hell. People keep messing with that shit. I don't even know what the hell I'll do if I was to see something like that in person. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comments. Have y'all ever came across a crazy animal that y'all never would have thought y'all would have crossed paths with? Me personally, I really haven't. You feel me? I'm from New York. We ain't gonna see nothing but rats and roaches. You feel me? That's probably the most. Some birds. That's about it. I never really came across. Even while traveling, I never really seen no wild animal. No, I think, well, not wild, but I seen like a dolphin. I think. What was it? Yeah, it was a dolphin I seen when it was in Jamaica. But that's probably like the most I've seen. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. To the next one. I'm off this. Oh!